Hello and welcome to Easy Piano for Singers. Today I am going to teach you a song called Revelation. It is a beautiful worship song that was sung by Kari Jobe, and it was released in 2009 by Jennie Lee Riddle. It's a beautiful song, and I am going to provide you with the chord sheet. You will look in the description box on YouTube, and you can print it out and play along with me. Okay, so this is the Revelation song. It's in the key of G. I moved it up a little bit because it's a little too low for me to sing. But I just want you to know how the song sounds. And then I will do the lesson, and I will do it in the original key of G. So, now, I also sometimes use octaves and inversions to play the song. So I'm going to do that just for the sake of showing you how it's supposed to sound. And then when I teach you how to play it, I will simplify it a little bit so it can be learned quicker. Okay, so here it is. You just take the first few chords at the beginning and then you continue. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain, holy, holy is he. Sing a new song to him who sits on heaven, mercy, sea. Then you go back to the beginning and you repeat that. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain, holy, holy is he. Sing a new song to him who sits on heaven, mercy, sea. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything, and I will adore you. Verse 2. Clothed in rainbow of living color, flash of lightning, rolls of thunder, blessing and honor, strength and glory and power be to you, the only wise King. death and living water, such a marvelous mystery, yeah. Back to the chorus. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything, and I will adore you. Adore you. Okay, welcome back to the song Revelation. And I am going to show you how to play this. They're very simple chords. It's the G major, G, B, D, D minor, D, F, A, F major, F, A, C, and C major, C, E, G. And with your right hand, you're going to be moving around, so if you want to place your thumb on F, that's good. You can go from F to G and then C. And your left hand, you're going to press your pinky on F, your ring finger on G, your middle finger on A, your pointy finger on F, and your thumb on C. And when you need to play that D, you're going to move over, just slide over with your thumb to D. Okay. All right, so let's start, and this is 4/4 beat, so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? Throughout the whole song. We do have like 4 chords that are going to be played adjacent to each other. That's the G, the D, the F, and the C. So you need to please get the chord sheet that I have available for you in the description box, the YouTube, and print it out so you can follow me and play along. Okay? All right. So, since most of you, I'm sure, that are watching this are beginners, I'm going to play this in the root position. I'm not going to do any fancy stuff or use any slash chords or any inversions. I am just going to play it in a simple fashion so you can pick this up easily. Okay, so we have the G, right? The D minor, the F, and the C. And we're going to move around that way. So take your left hand, put that pinky on F, and start with your left hand and your right hand. You can press your thumb again on F, so, or on G, whichever way you want, whichever way you feel comfortable, as long as you can keep up with going back and forth to each chord. Okay, so let's start with the verse, which is going to be repeated twice, and then we go to the chorus, then we go to verse 2, and then verse 3. Okay, here we go. You may want to do a little intro, something very simple. You can probably play the first 4 chords that are here on the top. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Holy, holy is he. So you can do this. It's very simple. Okay? 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. begin. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Holy, holy is he. Sing a new song to him who sits on heaven, mercy seat. Repeat. Worthy is the, and pick up the pace, Lamb who was slain. Sing it a little bit stronger. Holy, holy is he. And then the chorus, you're going to really bring your voice up. Sing a new song to him who sits on heaven's mercy seat. Louder now, stronger. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything, and I will adore you. Adore you, Lord. Adore you. Now verse 2. You may want to play a little bit more to the left so that it sounds a little richer and a little different. Give it, a different feel. So, clothed in rainbow of living color, flash of lightning, rolls of thunder, blessing, honor, strength, and glory, and power be to you, the only wise King. Verse 3, back to the G up on top. Filled with wonder, awesome wonder, at the mention of your name. Jesus, your name is power, strength and living water, such a marvelous mystery. Yeah, yeah. Now you can go back to the chorus and go softer because we're going to be ending. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything. Slow down. And I will adore you. Adore you, Lord. Softer. Adore you, Lord. Okay? Or you can just play the C chord. Okay? All right, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please don't forget to press that red button and subscribe so you don't miss a lesson. And please consider becoming a patron so that you can support this channel, as this takes time and dedication to put together. So thank you, and see you in the next lesson.